Hi everyone, Ghostly Greetings. I am going to show you how I mold and apply vampire fangs from Spirit Halloween. Each coffin container comes with a liquid and a powder. Mix 4 drops of the liquid with 1 powder capsule. Once you get a paste consistency, scoop that into one of the vampire fangs and push onto your tooth. Wait about 5 or so minutes and do the same method with the other tooth, making sure that they are sturdy and even with one another. The vampire fangs are also reusable. I wanted to have red lips, so I applied lip gloss and then applied Spirit Halloween Vampire Blood, which is highly appropriate for this look. All of these products were provided by Spirit Halloween, so make sure you visit your local store to recreate this look. Spirit is a one-stop shop of all things spooky, from costumes to everyday home decor because, let's face it, Halloween can be celebrated every day of the year.